Uh, Good morning, all the viewers. Today, again, a very bright, sunny morning. We are at the place near Minuthong. The rally is finally going from Manipur, and it is going to Jinevarp and Silchar. Though the rally, part of the rally will remain in Imphal, and we will keep moving from here and there, exposing our Manipur, which will be subsequently uploaded. We are very thankful to KRC for considering this idea and exposing the entire notice, showing what all are there where, so that people across the globe come to know what is all about notice. That is very important. So we will keep on working. We will explore the notice, our quality, of character, of personality, I would say, of these 8 states. So thank you so much, KRC, for giving all this opportunity to the entire notice. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone. मैं आपको मेरी जैसे कि हमारी रैली से कुछ लगे मूव will continue up to Silchar. So here I'm praying for a very smooth and good journey up to the Silchar. Thank you everyone for supporting each other to make this event a grand success. Thank you very much. All the best.
Thank you everyone for contributing and trying to have the integration of the Northeast region. And let us explore Northeast and let us showcase Northeast to the world and to the other people so that they can be part of our concern for your initiative. And let's not stop it. And we'll start from now and just keep on moving forward.
This is started.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. May God bless any team, Northeastern Education Rally team. By this rally, may bring peace in entire knowledge, not only Manipur, even though it's India also. Thank you very much.
Good morning everyone. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the rallies who have come so far from Calcutta, traveling multiple states, and who has reached Imphal safely. I hope you had a great time in Imphal and could understand a bit of Imphal through the cultural program and the exposure to Ladakh. I congratulate Mr. Spidika and KRC Foundation for the sport mentally and physically. It's a very, very touching challenge actually, both mentally and physically, and they have overcome that. And so far it has been very, very smooth with no anybody. The rally will continue, I think, and hope that journey will continue safe and sound. And I wish all the rallies a safe journey and hope that NEIR movement will continue throughout the year by year, and then it will become bigger and bigger.
Thank you. So, my heartfelt gratitude to all the Manipur members out here, and we will not forget that, and whole of Northeast will not forget that. I think the Honorable MLA has seen the glimpse of Meghalaya, has seen the glimpse. We all will be there, and today we are starting from Imphal, and we'll be reaching Lakhipur, where we are expected the chairperson of Manipuri Development Council, Miss Advocate Miss Reena Devi, will be welcoming us in Lakhipur on behalf of the Lakhipur constituency. We have a minister also there, Mr. Kaushik Rai. He is the development minister of Barak Devi. But because of the election campaigns and all, he is not personally will be available to be with us because of the timing constraint, because we could not give. So Madam is going to receive us there, and then we will proceed to Silchar, and we will have Badak Festival. Our Honorable MP will be the chief guest at 5 o'clock. I have said, don't wait for us. We may reach early, or they will start. as well as consecutively in Karimganj, that is Sri Bhumi also. Today the former Rajya Sabha MP is coming and they are organizing. So I mean Barak Valley and Manipur is rocking, and we will see what Meghalaya does, and we will then take a pause and continue doing all other things. Unfortunately, Mizoram and Tripura we could not do because of lack of resources there, organizational. So we will not be in a position to touch Mizoram and Tripura for the time being. But after the closing ceremony, I have requested the Chief Minister's office to organize something, and we will do it that way. Mizoram Chief Minister's office has also written to us, given this, but we don't have anyone there to coordinate. And being the date was Saturday, so in a Christian state we could not do. Our program has also been rescheduled in Meghalaya because of this same date problem. So it will be on 6th, 7th. Thank you all. God bless you. Let's stay safe and happy and be productive. Thank you.